This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can adjust the screen auto sleep delay in this camera. In the beginning, switch the camera on and then swipe downwards from the top edge of the display to open the controls. Then go to the second page here, then launch settings by tapping at the cog looking icon. Now enter the screen auto sleep page and select what screen auto sleep delay you would like to have. You can choose from the values anywhere between 5 seconds and 3 minutes, or you can always set it to never, so your screen will never automatically turn itself off. Here, once any value other than never is selected, you can also enable or disable the screen off during recording option. So you can make it so that even while you are recording, the screen will automatically go to sleep, or vice versa, make it so that while you are shooting something, it will never go to sleep automatically. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.